Yep, it's this house. Delivery, open the... This is for you.
Are you sure?
Bye.
Oh, did you order this?
Nope.
Ooh, what's inside?
Let's check.
This is so exciting.
Nah.
Oh. What's that?
Nah.
Why?
Don't touch.
Huh? It looks delicious. Pancakes. Ugh.
No.
I have to check this.
No.
What?
I clicked here, and look! How is this possible?
I want a car. Whoa! Bingo!
What have you done? You crazy!
Nuh-uh.
Get out! Give it to me!
No.
Oh, I know what to do.
All the wishes are mine. No.
I got it! We'll take turns using it. Deal?
Okay.
Whoa! Nice shoes. Yeah, I know. Oh, I definitely need them. I look awesome. Huh? What? Wow, perfect. She stole my shoes. Oh. Huh? Oh no!
Yeah, I wanted this. Nope. Huh?
Yummy.
Oh, sweetheart.
Ah, so sweet.
Oh, my baby.
Oh, lovely. I want to be a mom. Oh, a baby! Let's play, cutie. Oh, why are you crying?
Oh, where's my baby? Help me!
Your baby, madam.
My son. You took my son.
Sorry.
We're leaving.
You don't believe me?
No.
But it's true. Look here.
Huh? Holy cow.
See? I told you.
Oh, baby. I'll miss you.
Do it, Piro.
Fine. Huh?
Oh!
Whew.
Now shoes. Oh, you're so tall. Oh, more shoes. And the last one.
So, my gosh! How come?
What are you going to do? Huh?
Oh.
Oh. Look out!
Okay.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You're not the one who carries this.
Did I tell you I bought that pink dress? That one with the...
Okay, kiss.
What is it?
And here it is. Ready to go.
Oh, look at this. Such a dream.
You can do it, man.
I'll drive.
Enough.
But
Get in, let's go.
I want more.
Who is here? Oh.
What have we got? One more. It's mine. Give it to me. No way. Give it to me. What? What is happening? Let's go to space. Ladies and and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts. Oops! Oh.
Hey, stop!
Boom, boom! Kids, I want a baby.
A baby?
And family, too.
Okay, stop.
What?
Come back to Earth.
But...
Okay, let's go. I wanna sleep so badly. Hey! Well, so what? Hey! Wait! I got it! A tree! Oops! Well, let's fly to Mommy. Finally home. So much stuff.
Come on in. Why did I buy this? Huh? What? A baby? Where?
Ouch! Why so?
Where are you? Oh, here you are. Piro, look who it is. Why are you crying, baby?
Baby? Oh.
Well, and done. Someone's going to eat. So delicious. Let's put it here.
Don't cry.
You don't like it? Okay.
Don't
I'll eat it for you.
Liza.
Look. What?
It's good, and your baby will probably love it.
Oh, I got it. We have this. Well, come on.
Are you crazy? Let's go, silly.
I'm that baby. Na 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 na. So, what did you find?
Here it is. She's gotta like this.
No.
Let's try this, yummy. Maybe this?
What? What could it be?
Oh. Well.
Be careful, Piro.
Uh-huh.
Oops.
Whoa!
Watch out! We're alive!
Try on.
Huh? Do you like it? Hardly. Take her, Piro.
Who is it?
So, who is it?
Stork?
Where?
Maybe it's an illusion. Huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking for a baby.
baby?
It belongs to you.
Wow!
Hooray, victory! So let's fly.
I like being a mommy.
Me too.
Hero?
Oh.
Aww.
Happy birthday!
Coming!
Hi! Happy birthday! This is for you!
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. Ah! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh my! I'm so sorry! I better go!
Aw, come on. You have to join the party.
Huh?
It's time to move your bodies!
Oh! It's so fun! I'm gonna try it too! Ouch! Oh! Hey! It hurts! Wait! Don't worry, it's not that bad. Thanks! But you need to be more careful! I'm doomed! I'll never have friends!
Oh, no. No one should be this sad. Hey, let's dance together. Come on.
What? Really?
Of course.
I'm so happy!
You're doing great.
What's this? Oh no! Not again!
Ow, ow, ow.
Coming! Wait a sec.
Huh?
Here we go.
Oh, that's much better. Ready?
Yay!
Ta-da!
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
We can continue outside. Come here. Huh? That's so much fun!
Coming!
Why are you standing here alone? Are you really upset?
Careful! I can hurt you!
Come with me!
Useless! I'm so useless! Oof.
I think it's okay. So, take this stick and good luck!
Wow! Moving fast and fast! Great job! Oops!
I know. Come closer. I'll tell you. Wait.
Me too! Me too! Oh ho! Now I won't hurt anyone! Can I go there now?
Sure. Go ahead. I'm so happy for him.
Coming!
Hi, here's your delivery. The biggest magic trick set ever.
Finally! Let's see what's inside now, huh? No need for that. A wand, cool. Oh, and the magician hat, wow! Piro the magician! Come, Liza, I'll show you my magic.
So exciting!
Now pay attention, abracadabra! Abracadabra! Is this broken or what? Looks like any other magician's hat. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Fa la 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 la.
Liza! I have a new trick. This one's good, I promise.
No, no, please.
Oh, calm down. You'll love it. Here goes. Don't move. Abracadabra. Ta-da! Oh.
You're a goner, I swear! Oh, I need to eat something. Hello, I'd like to order a pepperoni pizza. Where's my wallet?
Haha, let me show you some more magic. I'll need a bill. Uh-huh. Now some magic. Abracadabra. Huh? Oopsie.
You! Stupid Piro and his magic!
Here's your pizza. Still hot. $20.
Of course. Huh? There you are.
Sorry, I can't accept this bills. No money, no pizza. See ya.
Piro!
This place is even more dangerous than we thought.
Huh? Oh no!
This trick is way too risky. Ha! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
When I say enough is enough, what do you not understand? Have you lost your mind? Incredible!
Yes, she's asleep. This magic trick has to work out.
Huh?
Where are you going? Wait, Liza, I'm not finished with you.
It's time to put an end to this insanity! It's just too dangerous. Enough is enough. Aha! Abracadabra! Oh? Ha! Phew.